So this is a CSL replica bumper with a CSL replica full width splitter. The way to do it would be center the splitter onto the bumper. You would need to insert the top parts such. Once you've had it centered, fix the middle part here. Fix the middle part here with screws first. Note how you've got it here. Yeah. This part side here does not go into the recess. Rather, it would need to be stuck down over the recess part. Then you can fix at the bottom here. You would need to fix the bottom here. That's the way to install these replica splitters onto replica bumpers. Yeah, again, over the side, over the recess part. And any other smaller gaps that you may get in the center after fixing would need to be filled in with sealant such as Tiger Seal.